Hi and welcome to Outside In. This afternoon I'm going to be showing you how to do a nature weave. All you need is some nails, okay, depending on how big your leaf is you're going to have to work that out how many you might need. A block of wood, or I've got a slab here, a cutting of a tree. You could also use an MDF block, pine block, and a hammer. Okay, some string, some twine to wrap around. Here's one I've done before. Okay, I think that was when we did some butterflies at holiday camp, and the idea is that you hammer in nails around a shape, create a shape, and then start weaving across, and then you can push things into the weave, natural objects, leaves, flowers, to create that nature weave. So I'm just going to show you a bit of a demonstration of how to do it. So you've got your leaf, lie it on your block. Okay, it might help you to actually go around with a pen, and first of all you could put your dots in around the leaf, the outside of the leaf, or like I'm going to do, I'm just going to leave my leaf there, hammering a few times. The leaf does move though, so that might be a good idea to put those dots. It's up to you, or actually hammer onto the leaf slightly. There we go. I'm sort of pinning it down a little bit. You don't need too many nails. I'm going to go with about 10. Watch those fingers when you're hammering. Put your fingers around the nail and just hammer the top and hammer it down straight, not at an angle. Try your best. It's not easy. Something that you'll have to practice over and over if you're not too good the first time. But hammering is great for those fine motor skills, whatever age the children are. Okay, here we go. And put another one in. There, last one there. If you've got an unusually shaped leaf, then it's going to be a bit more trickier, but also a bit more exciting and interesting. So take my leaf away, and you've got the outside of your shape now, what the leaf left behind. In fact, I'm just going to put one more in over there, I think. Tie your string around just one of the nails and knot it off. Okay, and then what you could do to form the shape is to go around the next nail, twist around the next one, twist, and go from nail to nail, twisting, and keep that string tight all the way around. If you can, push it down to the bottom. That's it. Keep going round. You need some scissors as well doing this right at the end. And there we go. So we've done the whole shape, and now you can start to make that weave. So going across anywhere you want. You can do this as an Easter egg design. We've done that before at our holiday camps. Okay, and it's almost a bit like a spider web. When you finish that and you're happy with that, okay, cut it off. You could actually leave, if you wanted to leave your leaf underneath, I've taken mine away, but you could leave it in. And now when you finish that, knot it off. There we go. Cut it off, and that's when you can put flowers, weave flowers into it, leaves, other things that you can find in nature. And there you go, there's your nature weave. Enjoy, have fun.